So we are jumping right into this. I'm excited. So we're gonna be doing the new Sensational Butter Lace unit. So this right here is the packaging. See if I can get that glare off. So the packaging is so freaking bomb. So freaking bomb. Makes you feel just luxurious. Okay, so this is going to be their Butter Lace Human Hair in Premium Fiber unit. So that is what the unit is going to look like. It is 32 inches. And then they still have the HD lace on it. So it is like the butter lace, basically, where everything should be done for you, okay? Only thing difference is they added human hair fibers. Stock card up close. I did get the color number 2. That is the inside. Judging from the model, look like it's gonna be yucky, but we will see. And then this is the back. And you can get this in different colors. 1B was out, so I got a number 2, which I've been liking number 2s. They did have number 1, but I was scared it's gonna be a little too shiny, so I just got a number 2. And this is how the unit looks before taking it out the packaging. So that is what the inside of the wig looks like. It looks like you get a little bit more parting space in the center. So you have your 2 combs that are right by the parting space, and then you do have your comb in the back with the adjustable straps. That's what it looks like. Always so bomb with the butter lace units. And then that is the hairline. Hairline does look good as well. So on to this hair. So the hair, it is going to be a natural yaki texture, which we are excited about. The hair does feel real silky smooth, like it has been pressed with a flat comb, so we do like that as well. I'm brushing my hands through it because I did just kind of tangle hair up a little bit, but we are not getting any tangling. There is like just 1 strand of shedding. That's about it. But this is how the unit looks. This looks good. So let's go ahead and put this unit on. Woo! Look at that. Okay. Miss Pre-Plug, look at all of that. Okay. So this is what the wig is looking like so far. With butter lace units, y'all know that they give you like all the way around baby hairs, and then right here they give baby hairs. Right here on the sides is where there are tracks. About right here is where they kind of have that space kind of widened up a little bit, and so that is what it is looking like. So far bomb. I did do like the ball cap method just in case it's gonna give me human hair vibes. Off the bat, the hair does feel nice and looks good and everything, but we shall see. So I'm gonna just take this unit off, and I'm actually gonna apply my foundation on bottom. The foundation that I usually use is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is what it looks like in the shade 765 Tawny. And I also got another foundation that looks exactly like my skin, which is the Milani Conceal Imperfect 2-in-1. And this is in the shade 11 in Amber. So if you have my complexion, either one of those will do. So I'm just gonna put that on the bottom of the lace. So I actually think I'm gonna try the Milani today because I haven't tried that one yet. So I just take 1 pump, dab it, take my foundation brush, smear it, make sure that there aren't any clumps, and then just go through the hair just like this. So lace has been tinted. I like how these tracks are laying because you can easily put it like in a ponytail. So they got these tracks laid on here like very good. So I like the construction of this unit. So sis, this is a lot of freaking hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a ponytail. So y'all know I have like my edges out, so I'm trying to see how far I can pull it down. With this unit, if you have a short hairline, mine is like right here, but they do have baby hairs that I can use to cover it up, so I'm probably going to have to do that. So I'm gonna take my clips, clip the hair up. So I'm gonna do halfway, just like this. I'm gonna take my freeze spray, spray it, and then blow dry it, and then do the other side. This is what it's looking like. If you got a low hairline like I do, you see all of this right here. That is actually my hair. So this unit, it goes back. So I guess they kind of give you like these baby hairs right here to kind of make it like not look so moonlight. But if you got a low hairline, instead of doing like the ball cap, or if you want to, that's perfectly fine. But I would just say just leave your edges out like right here on the sides, and then you could lay the wig down like along the hairline instead of doing like all of what I'm doing. So I am just going to go ahead and cut a round. So I'm basically just gonna leave the lace right here on the sides, and right here towards the front I'm gonna cut right here. I'm kind of going in jagged edge motion. And then I'm gonna go back in with some holding spray to lay back down those edges. So these are baby hairs that give you all around the front. And for me, my hairline kind of starts right here. So that is how much hairline is missing from me. I could have pulled this unit down a little bit, but right here in the front, it matches up to my hairline, but on the sides, it does not. So I'm just probably going to be using all of these edges like on the front, like majority on the sides, to just kind of cover up that hairline. So yeah, I'm just gonna make those real small and just kind of, I guess, kind of do like little squiggly lines or something to cover up the edge so it don't look too funny on me, because like I said, my hairline starts like right here. I'm going to be using my Style Factor edge booster. I use this one in the shade Amber, and it smells so freaking good. Like I said, you can really just leave your edges out, but what's the point of the wig? Okay, I'm trying to get the whole wig of it, but you can leave your edges out, you want to. I just want it all to look like natural yaki straight comb. We just want some baby hairs right there just to cover up that lace. This is the middle part, so as long as wind blowing and we got something right there, that's all we really care about. So now let's go ahead and brush this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna put air control along the hairline. I didn't use some of the baby hairs that are right here in the front, so I do want to kind of slick those down. And then I need to kind of fix this part. And then I'm gonna take my Cara wax stick. Looks like this. Just to slick down the top. The top actually doesn't look like too bad at all. Look, you can just run your hands through it. Okay, run your hands through it. And then let's look at the lace, like lace wear. Just melt it into the skin. Okay. And it is 32 inches, okay? So this unit, it does go down. Like, so let's go ahead and get into this unit. So once again, this is the Butta lace unit. I mean, it says straight 32 inches, doesn't have a name to it. So it's the hairline for me, okay? So with this unit, it's a con, but then it's a I like it. It's gonna be the hairline. So for the hairline, I sort of feel like the hairline is made with these baby hairs to look like this, because the hairline, it kind of starts back here, and then of course they have the baby hairs in front for you, and my hairline is probably about right here, so it's still half an inch. And if I felt like if I was to pull the unit forward, that this was gonna be down here, and then I was gonna have to be plucking it. So that's why I have it the way I do have it. But at the same time, I do like it because I don't know, it just looks so pretty. Like it's giving you like frontal vibes, like all over the front of the unit, and you know it's really not a frontal, and it's really not, it's like a lace part, but it looks so freaking good. So I like it. But then it's like, in order for me to put this wig back on, I got to go through a lot of steps just to wear it, because I know I'm gonna have to slick the baby hairs down, you know, and stuff like that. Or I can brush those back and just leave out my edges too. So you can do that also. But I feel like the way they have it, like it looks good like this. Like it looks so, like, I don't know, I'm just feeling a little bougie right now. So it is going to be 32 inches. It does tangle. It's not, it don't tangle too bad, but it is going to tangle. And then it does shed. But you can, like, you know, run your hands through it. So what I get from this is like that quick weave human hair, that $20 human hair. That's kind of what I get from it, because you know you can wear it for a couple of days, but after a while it is going to start to tangle. And that's what I get from this unit. This unit is going to be like very thick. So this is all the hair pulled to like the front, and it's gonna be thick. As you can see, like the ends and stuff are still thick, so it looks very full and nice. And like I said, you can run your hands through it, but after a while it is going to tangle up on you. And then as you can see, it does have like a very natural sheen to it. Like the luster looks very good. And I think with this number 2, it does look like a 1B. So it does look nice. There wasn't really too much to do with this unit. Like I said, the baby hairs, I didn't even pluck the top. I just slicked it down a little bit with some wax, and then my edge control, and then even then the top was kind of flat for me, so I really didn't have much to do with this unit. But it is giving like glamorous and very pretty, and it looks full, doesn't look thin, especially to be like 32 inches. It looks really, really good. Like I said, it's giving like that quick weave human hair kind of vibe, but it is giving like, you know, human hair. It is giving human hair quality. I just love how it looks in a ponytail though. That just gives like bougie kind of vibes, whatever. Like, who gonna tell you spend $50 on a synthetic unit? So I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.